Hi, welcome to another tutorial of Wepa Audio. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about TROPICALE. TROPICALE is a reggaeton drum kit that I built with sounds to make reggaeton. You can make another tropical music, but it's more to reggaeton. I decided to make this interface looking like Puerto Rican beach, so you feel more tropical when you're doing your beats. I'm going to explain you the controllers. Each sound will have their own pitch, level, attack, release, cutoff, resonance, filter with low pass and high pass filter, your pan, and your reverb area. And they have 10 slots that will include 2 kicks, 2 snares, 2 hi-hat, and 4 percussions. Here is the master volume. Here, when you click this button, it takes you to our web page so you can get more plugins or more libraries. This button will load the samples that will be included. You have 40 drum kits. Every 10 kit is going to be a classic. So you're going to have this one is a classic, the number 10 is classic, number 20 is classic, 30 is classic, and 40 is classic. Also, I will include some MIDI files, and they have their name on it, so you can mix and match. So in this one, you're going to have the classic boat 10. So you go to your, you see, number 10, and you load that here. So we go again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it will sound like this. But you can just copy and paste a couple of these, and you just can make it individual. So that's basically how to use this plugin. It's really easy. You will have your MIDI files and your download folder, so you can drag it on your DAW, so it's easy to use and have fun with it.